Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm extremely pleased to announce the launch of our new History Optional through 500 questions batch number 2. The batch starts on the 4th of November and here we have tried to take an entirely new approach to History Optional preparation. This entire course is going to cover the whole syllabus of the History Optional through question and answer format. While the name of the course is History Optional through 500 questions, we are ultimately going to be covering about 800 questions, more or less. There will be a specific focus on the previous year's questions and a number of new questions which have remained underserved in the previous year's questions this far, but there is a possibility that similar questions may arise in the future. Okay? Each and every topic is going to be covered through this question and answer format. There will be live answer writing inside the classroom. Every day, on average, we'll be discussing 10 questions in the class, out of which 4 or 5 questions the attendees are going to be asked to write in the classroom. I'll put a timer on the board. Right. After all of this, the questions are going to be discussed. I'll be providing model answers also. The course is going to be conducted jointly by both me and Nikhil sir. Nikhil sir will be in charge of paper 2, while I'll be in charge of paper 1. On the 4th of November, we'll begin with the beginning of paper 1, that is ancient Indian history. Uske baad fir medieval history. Following that, we'll have modern history, and finally world history. We have designed the course to be about 3.5 months long. So beginning from the 4th of November to about mid-February, we'll be covering the entire history optional syllabus through question and answer format. Further, a very important aspect and feature of this program is that there will be sectional as well as 2 full-length tests. So there are 6 sectional tests, one for ancient, one for early medieval history, one for medieval history, one for modern history, one for post-independence history, and one for world history, and 2 full-length tests, one for paper 1, one for paper 2. All the copies of the tests, both sectional as well as full length, are going to be evaluated by us, the faculties themselves, and you will have complete access to the faculties at all times. You can get to us through mail or telegram या फिर WhatsApp phone वगैरह करना है तो आप वो सब कर सकते हैं. And with this, you'll be left with ample time for your pre-preparation. तो करीब 3 महीने उसके लिए भी मिल जाएंगे after the mid-February जब आपका कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज कि ये कोर्स किसके लिए डिजाइंड है. दिस इज नॉट फॉर एंटायरली न्यू बिगनर्स. सो if you have already read the basic sources, for example उपिंदर सिंह पढ़ चुके हैं या आर एस शर्मा पढ़ चुके हैं और बिपिन चंद्रा पढ़ चुके हैं, सतीश चंद्रा पढ़ चुके हैं, या फिर नॉर्मन लो पढ़ चुके हैं, एल मुखर्जी पढ़ चुके हैं, इस कैटेगरी में आप, या फिर कहीं से कोचिंग कर चुके हैं, और यू हैव डन सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन ऑन योर own and if you have appeared in any previous exams, तो एक बार attempt दे चुके हैं, तो then this course is for you. This course is designed to help you to bridge the gap between where you are and where you need to be. Now usually होता क्या है कि क्लासरूम में या फिर खुद से पढ़ने में जो फाइनल लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी होता है ना between what you are absorbing, the knowledge you are absorbing, and what you are needed to apply in the examination hall, वो जो लास्ट फेज होता है वहां पे कनेक्टिविटी नहीं रह पाती है. देयर रिमेन्स अ गैप. सो जनरली 2-3 अटेम्प्ट देने के बाद भी अच्छे से पढ़ाई करने सीरियस कैंडिडेट्स भी अराउंड 230, 240, 250 की रेंज में हवर करते रहते हैं. नाउ दिस कोर्स इज डिजाइंड फॉर पीपल लाइक देम और दोज हु वांट टू फोकस अपॉन आंसर राइटिंग. नाउ एज आई मेंशन्ड, कोर्स 4 तारीख को शुरू हो रहा है. You are more than welcome to join it. The link is going to be in the description below. And एक दिवाली का celebratory package भी हम लोग लेके आए हैं. दिवाली discount of 24% is being offered. So this is the best time to consider this course. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.